Hi, my name is Lindy Hurdle, and this is my grammar lesson plan. Thank you. Okay, class, I'm so glad y'all all came today. It's going to be a great day. Are you ready?
Yay!
Good. Now today, because you all are the advanced class, I have a good but a little challenging lesson for you. Don't be scared, but we are going to talk about some troublesome verbs. What does troublesome mean?
Hard.
Yes, troublesome can be a little hard.
Difficult.
Difficult, a little bit. Sometimes they get us, if something is troublesome, it gets us mixed up or confused. These verbs, lie and lay, are probably the most troublesome verbs in the English language. A lot of native speakers have trouble with these words, but you all are going to do great. Okay, now to start our lesson, you will go around the room to different tables and you will read different cartoons. Now these cartoons will all be about lie and lay. So when you go around to the tables, I want you to notice how the verbs are being used. I want you to take notes. I want you to see if you can understand or decide why one is used and not the other in different cases. So for example, for this one, the cat is having a lesson for his other fellow cats. And he is giving a grammar lesson on lie and lay. He says, here's how to remember the difference. You lie on a keyboard and you lay a dead mouse on a pillow. Okay, now if you have a cat, you will understand this cartoon. Okay, so I want you to, everyone get up and go read the cartoons. Okay, I'm glad you all are back. Did you learn anything about lie and lay?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look at lie and lay. Now, there are a couple of tricks you can use to decide if you need lie or if you need lay. The first trick is to see if the sentence has a direct object. Does anybody remember what a direct object is? The direct object is receiving the action in a sentence. If it has a direct object in the sentence, you use lay. If there's no direct object, you use lie. So for example, the students blank their papers in the tray at the end of their class. Does this sentence have a direct object?
Yes.
Yes, papers. So we would use lay. The students lay their papers. Let's read this sentence. Lucy was tired, so she went to blank on her bed for a while. Is there a direct object in this sentence?
No.
No. So which verb do we use?
Lie.
Lie. Very good. Another way to remember this, you always lay something down, but you lie your body down. Any questions about that? All right. So, the next trick for lie or lay is to change the word. Instead of using lay, we will say place. Instead of using lie, we will say recline. If you can substitute place and the sentence still makes sense, you know you're supposed to use lay. If you substitute the word recline and it still makes sense, you can use lie. So let's practice. Here's your example sentence. I blank the towel on the sand so my mom can blank on it. All right, Ella, can you read the example, how we replace these?
I place the towel on the sand so my mom can recline on it.
Good. Does that sentence make sense when we substitute the words?
Yes.
Yes. So we know that we should say, I lay the towel on the sand so my mom can lie on it. Any questions? Now, one of the things that makes this verb so troublesome is the past tense. Look at this chart. The past tense of the verb lie is what?
Lay.
Lay. But lay is the base form of the verb lay. Do you see why this is so troublesome?
Yes.
Okay. So if you have a sentence that is the past tense, yesterday evening we blank a blanket on the grass and then we blank down on it to watch for the falling stars. This is a sentence, we have to use the past tense form of the verb. So what do? We want to change the sentence, the entire sentence, to the present. Use our last two tricks to figure out the right verb. And then we change it back to the past and use the correct past verb. Now I have faith in y'all. You can do this. I'm going to let you work in groups to create your own sentences. We're going to do an interactive quiz on Kahoot. And then we will listen to some songs and you have to decide if they're using lie and lay correctly or incorrectly in the song. All right. Thank you, and here we go.